Hello guys, this is a Medicos library video for you. Today's topic is acute bronchitis. First we have to know what is bronchitis. Bronchitis is a respiratory disease in which mucous membrane in the lungs, bronchial passage become inflamed. As the irritated membrane swells and grows thicker, it narrows or shuts off the tiny airways in the lung, resulting in the coughing spells that may be accompanied by breathlessness. The disease comes in two forms. These are acute, lasts for 1 or 3 weeks, and chronic, lasts at least 3 months of the year for 2 years in a row. People with asthma may also have asthmatic bronchitis, inflammation of the lining of the bronchial tubes. Let's see the acute bronchitis definition. Acute bronchitis is inflammation of bronchial tubes, the airways that allow air to pass from the mouth to the lungs. Acute bronchitis is a form of lower respiratory tract infection affecting the air tubes bronchi of the lungs. It usually comes on sudden and can last for 3 to 10 days. Acute bronchitis, also known as chest cold. People with recurrent acute bronchitis may become chronic bronchitis. Causes. Acute bronchitis can be caused by contagious pathogens, most commonly virus. Typical viruses include respiratory syncytial virus, rhinovirus, influenza, and others. Bacteria are uncommon pathogens but may include Mycoplasma pneumoniae, Chlamydophila pneumoniae, Bordetella purpurus, Streptococcus pneumoniae, and Haemophilus influenza. Risk factors of acute bronchitis: close contact with someone who has cold or acute bronchitis, failure to get age-appropriate immunization shots, exposure to tobacco smoke, fumes, dust, and air pollution. Pathogenesis: due to any of the irritants or viruses, damage caused by the irritants or viruses to the airways leads to the inflammation and lead to neutrophil infiltration in the lung tissue. This neutrophil releases substance which causes inflammation. Thus leads to the goblet cell metaplasia and hypersecretion of mucus. The mucus and goblet cells causes obstructions in the bronchi and cause acute bronchitis. Symptoms. The most common symptoms of acute bronchitis are coughing of mucus that may be yellow or green, runny and stuffy nose starting at few days before the chest congestion, feeling run down or tired, sore ribs for prolonged period of coughing, not being able to be as active, wheezing or whistling sounds while breathing. Diagnosis. The physical examination will often reveal decreased intensity of the breath sounds, wheezing, rhonchi, and prolonged expiration. Most physicians are rarely on the presence of persistent dry or wet cough evidence of bronchitis. A variety of tests may be performed in patients presenting with cough and shortness of breath. Chest X-ray is useful to exclude pneumonia, which is more common in this with a fever, fast heart rate, fast respiratory rate, or who are old. A sputum sample showing neutrophil granulocytes, inflammatory white blood cells, and culture showing has pathogenic microorganisms such as Streptococcus species. A blood test which include inflammation as indicated by raised blood cell count, that is white blood cell count, and elevated C-reactive proteins. Most cases, the treatment in most cases are self-limited and resolve themselves in a few weeks. Antibiotics. Antibiotics are not used. It used only if the patient reveals more number of bacteria in the culture test. While antibiotics speed up the resolution of cough by about 12 hours, there is a greater risk of gastrointestinal problems and no change in the longer-term outcomes. Antibiotic use also leads to promotion of antibiotic-resistant bacteria, which decrease mobility and motility. And another treatment is complete avoiding of smoking. Home remedies are also used, that is, over-the-counter non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs such as ibuprofen and naproxen may soothe sore throat. Humidifiers create moisture in the air that help in the loosens the mucus in nasal passage. Drinking plenty of liquids such as water or tea. Ginger tea is also helpful in cleaning the bronchial airways. Consuming honey can help soothe cough. Honey also soothes throat and provide antiviral and antibacterial properties. I hope this video helps you. Please like, share and subscribe.